This is the Hot Ash Mini. We just partnered up with these guys, and they're available on the Campers and Gear website, and we're going to check them out right after this. All right, we got something awesome for you guys. This is the Hot Ash Mini, and it's a little stove that you can basically cook whatever you want with just the simple twigs you have around at your campsite or when you're hiking. So we brought along some things to cook today. One is coffee. So we're going to heat up some water. We'll put this together and see how it works. So on this end there's a little wing nut, which kind of holds it all together. And then it's going to slide out the other side. So we got one side. This is your burn chamber. Put that down here. What you want to do is slide those two pieces together. So it's like that. Got ahead of myself. Now you want to put the rear leg so it's stable with the wing nut that you took off before. And these adjust up and down, so depending on your terrain you can get it nice and even. I don't think we're going to have to worry about that today with the snow. On the front there's another wing nut, and you want to undo that one. So this one's going to go in like this, and there you have it. So basically you would feed your sticks in here. As you're feeding, they're burning, and they're in this chamber, creating like a turbine effect, which gets really nice and hot. There you go. So you get a nice little X to put a pot or whatever you want. So I'm going to grab a pot out of our backpack and pick up some twigs around here, and let's see how it works. I went and grabbed a rock just to have a more level area, I guess, without snow, so you guys can see everything. But we walked around, grabbed a bunch of twigs we have here. That'll be our fuel. So of course the goal is to get the fire going, start feeding it the fuel, the sticks in the bottom, and it should just create a nice burn. Okay, so it's obviously starting to go. We'll just get a little hotter here and alright, so the water is steaming, ready to make some coffee. Coffee grounds are in here. Let's do some cowboy coffee. It might get strong. Fire is still going in there. It's a little bit lower now, but yeah, we're coffee. Alright, so if you want to get your own hot ash stove, $89.99 for this one, $99.99 for the larger one, and you can get them on campersandgear.com.